And now the third example. An observer 1.5 meter tall. He is 1.5 meter tall. You can write in the figure as AB. It is 1.5 meters. He is an observer and he is observing the top of the chimney, and that chimney is 28.5 meter away from the observer. That is, the observer is 28.5 meter away from the chimney. 28.5 meter. The angle of elevation of the top of the chimney from her eyes is 45 degree. Here the angle of elevation. So this is the horizontal line. This angle of elevation is 45 degrees. This is the given thing. And we can draw the figure like this from the given figures in the question. What is the height of the chimney? Let CD be the chimney. To find height of the chimney. To find height of the chimney is CD. So, what we have to find now? To find height of the chimney, we need to find the point CE, which is the point where AE is parallel to BD, the horizontal line. And the angle of elevation is CAE. We observe the right triangle CAE, right angle at E. And obviously AE will be 28.5 because BD is equal to AE. Therefore, AE will be 28.5 meters, right? And we need to find CD. We know that AB is equal to ED. And AB is what? Height of an observer. He is 1.5 meters tall. Therefore, ED is 1.5 meter. This is equal to 1.5 meters. So, we have ED is equal to 1.5 meters and BD, that is AE, is equal to 28.5 meter, and it is easy to find CE. How CE is? And CE is equal to CD minus ED. Did you understand this? If you have any doubts, you can call me so that I can clarify your doubts personally. Here in right angle triangle, CAE, angle CAE is 45 degree. We have AE as 28.5. We need to find CE. Which trigonometric ratio you want to use? Obviously it is tan of 45 degrees. So let us find it. Tan of 45 degrees is equal to opposite side CE divided by AE, and we know that tan of 45 degree is equal to 1. Why? In isosceles triangle we have isosceles right triangle, we have two sides equal and 45 degree will be the two other angles, and in isosceles triangle the sides are 1 and 1. Therefore, tan of 45 will be opposite side upon adjacent side. It is 1. Do you remember? And if you do have any confusion, you can refer to my short video where I have explained how to find the values of the some trigonometric ratios of some angles. Here tan 45 is equal to 1. This is equal to CE upon AE is 28.5. Therefore, CE is equal to 28.5 meters. Therefore, CD is equal to CE plus ED. This is equal to 28.5 plus 1.5. This is equal to 30 meters is the length of the chimney. let us go to fourth one. From a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building is 30 degrees. There is a 10-meter tall building and there is a point P on the ground, 10-meter tall building. Let VAB is the building 10 meter tall. We should be able to draw the figure accordingly by the given facts in the question. A flag is hoisted at the top of the building and the angle of elevation of the top of the flag staff from P is 45 degree. So this is the building is 10 meter and the flag is hoisted. Let it be C. This angle is 45 degrees. And from a point P on the ground, the angle of elevation of the top of a 10-meter tall building. This is building AB and this angle is 30 degree. Don't get confused to draw the angles. Just understand from the point of the observer, the top of the building, that is the line of sight, and this angle is angle of elevation, and top of the flag staff, it is C, and the angle of elevation from P is 45 degrees. The line of sight here is PC, and in the first case the line of sight is PA. Therefore the angle of elevations are figured out like this. Find the length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from P. This flag staff to find, this is the fourth question. To find AC, what should we find? We should find AC, length of the flag staff and the distance of the building from the point P, that is PB. This distance, this is the building, foot of the building, and this is the point P on the ground, the distance of the point from the foot of the building. So the figure is like this, where this is the right angle. How to solve it? Since we know the height of the building, it is easy to find the distance PB. Why? Because ABP is a right triangle. In right triangle, APB, tan of 30 degrees is equal to AB upon PB. Why we took tan? Because 30 degree is angle APB in triangle APB, where angle B is the right angle. This is the opposite side for the angle 30 degree, that is APB, and PB is the adjacent side for the angle 30 degrees, that is APB. Therefore tan of 30 degree will be AB upon PB. But what is tan 30 degree? You just again recall the diagram. Equilateral triangle and the angle is divided, that is perpendicular is drawn, that is 30 degree. Tan of 30, opposite side is 1 and the perpendicular is root 3. Therefore 1 upon root 3, tan 30 degrees 1 upon root 3. This is equal to AB is given as 10 divided by PB. Therefore PB is equal to 10 root 3. That is 10 into 1.73, that is 17.3 meters. So the distance of the point P from the foot of the building is 1.73 meters. And next what we should find? 17.3 meters. And next we have to find length of the flag stop. What is length here? What is AC? How to find AC? We observe that BC is equal to AC plus AB and PB is equal to, just now we find 17.32 because root 3 is taken as 1.732. Here ACPB is the right triangle. In right triangle CPB. Again we will take tan of 45 degree only. Then we take the trigonometric ratio as tan 45 degree because it includes the opposite side and the adjacent side. Tan 45 degree is equal to CB upon PB. But tan 45 is 1. This is equal to CB upon PB is, just now we found it as 17.32. Therefore, CB is equal to 17.32 meter. Hence, we can find AC. Then, AC will be, this AC is equal to CB minus AB. CB minus AB. This is equal to, what is CB? 17.32 minus 10. It is 7.32 meters. So, the height of the flag stop is 7.32 meters. Hope you understood the explanation. If you have any doubts, please feel free to call me so that I can explain it to you personally.